Hello, kids. I'm Mr. Peanut, your storyteller, and today I'm here with the story of The Blue U.
Hi, I'm you, and I feel blue when I stand at the end of English words.
However, the letter U doesn't like to stand at the end of English words. There are many words that need the U sound at the end. So the letter U thought of a solution. He thought to ask the letter E if he can stand after him silently and let U say its sound.
Hey, E, I feel blue to stand at the end of English words. Can you stand with me silently and let me say my long sound?
I can stand after you silently, and you can say your long sound, you.
Since that day, if someone wants to write the long U sound at the end of English words, they write it with U-E.
Because U feels blue at the end of English words. Let's see some examples. Q, rescue, and barbecue.
I hope you got this, kids, but let me tell you a secret about U. U has two sounds, U and oo.
U has two sounds, U and oo. U and oo, U and oo. U has two sounds, U and oo. U and oo, U and oo. In a nutshell, pals, if you hear the long U or oo sound at the end of English words, write it with U, E. Let's see some words where U says oo. Glue, blue, and true. Now you can solve the activity pages in your workbook. And stay tuned for part 2 of The Blue U. Still teaching spellings with the old, boring methods? Time for a change now. Let's not teach kids spelling, but tell them stories to remember the rules with the help of Spelling Stories with Mr. Peanut. Order your set today to give your children the best they deserve. Spelling Stories with Mr. Peanut.